Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today's got some good and some bad. We are going to be continuing on with issue 25 of our R2-D2 build. Now this is issue 25 of a 100-issue run, so after we finish this, we'll be 1/4 of the way through the entire build. So we've hit a major milestone here with this one, and I can't wait. We do have our parts, not many parts, so I expect this to be another very short video. But we have our parts, we have our magazine. Let's crack it open and see what we got. All right, as expected, here are the parts with this issue. We've got another piece of the dome frame, what I believe is the last piece of the dome frame. A piece for the bottom ring frame and a couple of ring frame connectors. Now these we will not be using in this issue, so we're going to set those to the side. I've already pulled out 2 silver screws, long silver screws, 2 nuts, and we will need the dome frame completed to date. Just like all of the others, we take the dome frame piece, open end goes towards the center ring frame. And that's just going to come right on in here, like so. If you take a look real close, there are a couple of pegs here on both sides and 2 holes on either side to match them up. So we'll just slide this in, peg it in, which is apparently easier said than done. Wow. Let's take a look-see. There we go. That's one. The other can't. There we go. Now it's all lined up in place. Just hold it in here, and just like with all the rest, nut on the bottom, screw on the top. And there you have it. Stage 25 completed. There you go. Another day, another issue down. Not a whole lot to this one, but we have finally finished all 3 levels of R2's dome. We got another piece of the ring frame, so 1 more of these and we should have what we need to attach the final ring frame to the bottom, and hopefully we're going to start building it out and attaching his accessories. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.